Good morning, everybody. Before we get started, this video is supported by Webike Japan, where we love motorcycles and riders. Go check them out. They're making a lot of this exciting new season possible. Okay, one of the things that Webike has asked those of us in the official partner program to do is a product unboxing. So I've got two orders here. I've been holding on to this one for a while. This one is a stainless steel headlight bracket. And this one here is some stainless steel engine bolts and a tachometer cable. Now the box did arrive slightly squished, but I've had that happen before. Well, now if you go back a couple weeks and watch my review on the paint and place fenders that are stainless steel, those arrived in perfect condition in the box and weren't messed up at all. One thing I'll tell you about, when you use their lower cost shipping service, which is EMS Japan Post, you will have to sign for your parts when they come in. So if you're like me, you're a private individual who works during the week, you'll have to make arrangements for that. You can use DHL or FedEx, and you can separately arrange with them. This paperwork on the front here is mostly customs and dispatch notes. If you're a packing slip, if you're a business person, you may wish to save these. If you're like me and you're just another crazy motorcycle lover working in your own garage on your own stuff, you don't have to. So I'm going to toss those. Well, let's get into this. I never would have thought of doing some of the stuff I'm doing with this Yamaha SR500 on the table behind me if I had not discovered the Webike website. There are a lot of truly unique custom parts available from Japanese manufacturers and companies. So in here, have a packing slip, Craftsman stainless steel headlight bracket, payment in Japanese yen, invoice. Now I'll actually save this. The product is bubble wrapped heavily, secured in here, taped up. So let's set the box out the way a second and see what it looks like. I had ordered this. Well, here's what's happened. I started with the paint and place stainless steel fenders, which worked out really good. Then I saw the stainless steel headlight brackets on the website. This is the first time I've seen them, and here's what they look like for you. They look pretty good. I may hit them with the polisher a little bit, but I love the look. And why would I order new headlight brackets? Well, A, I wanted a custom look, and B, my standard ones, one was damaged, and both of them are tarnished heavily. And the restoration would cost me more than buying this part. The great thing I love about this, unlike the headlight brackets that clamp, this one is made for an SR500. So as you can see, it bolts right into the factory positions. The holes about line up. There's a little bit of difference on these. I may have to do just a little tweaking. But that's all part of custom life. I suspect, again, that's the difference between the early model SR500, the very earliest models, and the later model. Everything else is identical. And I love the looks of this a lot better than the original. It comes with hardware. Of course, one thing to remember, it shows the spacers and everything here. One thing to remember is that when you order from them, any product with instructions will have instructions in Japanese. You wrap that up and put it in a safe place. And now, let's open the other box. Again, we have the customs paperwork. Now, most times you have to pay shipping out of Japan, but every now and then, if you watch, depending on what country you're in, they do free shipping for different countries. For example, the headlight bracket came on free shipping. They also give you a chance to earn Webike points by shopping and adding reviews and stuff. And if you build up enough of them, you can actually get some of your parts just for the cost of shipping. If you buy a lot of parts, you can get the occasional part. But the biggest thing is the unique items that you can only buy from them. There's so many Japanese custom parts manufacturers that never get seen here. Then of course here's the tachometer cable, which is a pretty standard item because I'm reusing the factory tachometer engages on this one just because I like the way they look. Wow, we're talking about all the stainless steel. You know, stainless steel fenders. I got a stainless steel lower engine guard, a small cut down lightweight stainless steel chain guard on order, getting ready to order. There's so much stainless steel replacing the original parts on this bike that it hit me. I had an inspiration. I picked up an old book by science fiction writer Harry Harrison. I was looking through it. It's called The Stainless Steel Rat. Well, I think that gave me the inspiration for this Yamaha SR500. It will be the stainless steel brat. It's going to have stainless steel fenders, stainless steel exhaust, stainless steel headlight bracket, stainless steel chain guard. And you can get all of these different parts at Webike that you just can't seem to find anywhere else. For example, here is the engine bolt kit. Again, a stainless steel engine bolt kit. See now, that's it for this video. Like I said, the shipping is fast, the prices are reasonable. Yeah, the shipping might seem a little high, but when you consider things, for example, like I bought a handlebar for this bike, and it was, since I was already placing a big order, and the handlebar was only at like 18 or 19 US dollars on top of it. So it works out really well. Like I said, they have a huge variety of custom items that you won't find anywhere else. So that's it for today. Take care, keep riding, keep wrenching, and stay crazy.